Salut les amis, comment allez-vous? In this video, we are going to continue with the Chapitre 5, les Diphtongues. And this is going to be lesson 2 of chapter 5. But forgive me, in the previous video, instead of Chapitre 5, I used Chapitre 4. Chapitre 4. There was nothing wrong with the content, just that instead of Chapitre 5, I use Chapitre 4. And in the Chapitre 5, that's lesson 1, we have learned this. But in Chapitre 4, we have seen les syllabes and vers. Les syllabes and vers. So, these are the things we have seen in Chapitre 4. Let's move to today's lesson, which is Chapitre 5, les Diphtongues, leçon 2. Today, we are going to be looking at diphtongues made up of U and I. Répétez après moi. U plus I, ça donne UI. U plus I, ça donne UI. In the previous video, we have learned that we talk about diphthong, that's les diphtongues, when in a syllable we have two sounds, two independent sounds, and the syllable will be made up of two vowels. For example, the one you have here, U is a vowel and I is also a vowel. And in the syllable that they have come together to form, they all sound inside. So we have UI. It starts with the first vowel and ends with the second vowel. That is diphthong. J'espère que vous n'avez pas oublié. Continue. Now we are going to add some consonants to UI to form a syllable. D, UI, Jui. A gentle reminder. We have learned in one of our lessons, that is the lesson in which we have seen D. We have learned that when D is behind I and U, it sounds J. J. So we have G and J. So we have J. On continue. F, UI, fui. L, lui, lui. N, ui, nuit. P, ui, puis. S, ui, suis. T, ui, tui. This one too, when you are on T, we have learned that behind U or I is sound T instead of T. I hope you can remember that. You can get the link to the previous lessons in the description. Liaison. We have learned that a consonant does not sound at the end of a word, in the exception of some few words that we have seen. So, puis, suite. E does not sound at the end of a word. In fact, mostly E does not sound in the word unless it is having an accent. So when it is at the end of a word, it helps the previous consonant to sound. before the E sound, it must have an accent. So that's why you have suite, luire, fuite, nuire, tuile, bruit. This is a sound we'll be looking at, br, br, but it's a common sound. You have it in English language too, and it sounds the same, br, bruit, appui, ruiner. When ER is at the end of a word, it sounds A. A. That's why you have ruiner. Un puits. Un fruit. Fruit. Un fruit. La pluie. Pluie. La pluie. Déduire. Circuit. We'll be looking at this alphabet. La lettre C. Produit. La Suisse. Le juif lui a suivi la nuit. Le juif lui a suivi la nuit. Papa a réduit la cuisse. Merci, nous sommes à la fin de cette leçon. Please subscribe and like, and if possible, share with your loved ones. Au revoir et à la prochaine fois.